Are you a student in college or university struggling to manage your finances? Do you find yourself running out of money before the end of the month? You are not alone. Managing finances while in school or college can be tough, but with the right mindset, tools and strategies, you can take control of your money and start building a solid financial foundation for your future. Let's get started with a famous quote by P.T. Barnum. Money is a terrible master but an excellent servant. So how to make money your servant? Step 1. Create a budget. The first step in managing your finances while in college or university is to create a budget. This will help you understand how much money you have coming in and going out each month. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a few months to get a sense of your spending habits. Then, use a budgeting tool or spreadsheet to create a plan for your money. Step 2. Cut expenses. Once you have a budget, look for ways to cut expenses. This could mean finding cheaper housing options, cooking meals at home instead of eating out, or using public transportation instead of owning a car. Look for areas where you can reduce your spending without sacrificing your quality of life. Step 3. Prioritize saving. Even if you're living on a tight budget, it's important to prioritize saving. Set a goal to save a certain percentage of your income each month, even if it's just a small amount. You can start with an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, and then work towards saving for long-term goals like a down payment on a home or retirement. Step 4. Build credit wisely. Building good credit while in college or university can help you in the future when it comes to getting a loan or renting an apartment. However, it's important to use credit wisely. Only charge what you can afford to pay off each month and always make your payments on time. Financial stress can impact academic performance. A study by the American Psychological Association found that financial stress can negatively impact a student's academic performance, mental health, and overall well-being. Step 5. Plan for the future. Finally, it's important to plan for your financial future while in college or university. This could mean looking for ways to earn extra income, researching potential career paths, or starting to invest for the long term. By planning ahead, you can set yourself up for financial success after graduation. Many college students work while in school. According to the National Center for Education Statistics, about 43% of full-time undergraduate students and 81% of part-time undergraduate students worked while enrolled in college. Managing finances while in college or university can be challenging, but it's also an opportunity to build good habits and set yourself up for a strong financial future. By creating a budget, cutting expenses, prioritizing saving, building credit wisely, and planning for the future, you can take control of your finances and work towards your long-term goals. Remember, financial success starts with small steps taken today. Here are some action items that you can take after watching the video. 1. Create a budget using a budgeting tool or spreadsheet. 2. Look for areas where you can cut expenses without sacrificing your quality of life. 3. Set a savings goal and start saving a certain percentage of your income each month. 4. Use credit wisely by only charging what you can afford to pay off each month and making payments on time. 5. Start researching potential career paths and ways to earn extra income while in school or college. Hope you like this information. Please like, subscribe and share this video with friends and classmates to spread the word about financial literacy and responsible money management. Thanks for watching.